As much as editing your website content can sound scary, adding and editing sections in Squarespace is super simple to do. So your pages and footer of the website are made out of sections stacked vertically. Sections hold all of your page content. So whether you've created a new page or want to add a section to your existing page, just go into edit mode and scroll to the top section until you can see the blue add section button. You can either choose to add a blank section, so a completely plain white grid. You can add saved section, or you can use one of the Squarespace's pre-designed sections. They have them split into categories, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. We'll start with a blank page for now. Okay, so we're still in edit mode, and this is our new section. You will see we have two windows appear, one at the left and one at the right. You can use the left add block button to add all of your content, and the right tab is where you can create all of the section settings. To add some content to your section, we will need to add a block. There are a number of blocks available, like image block, text block, gallery block, video block, newsletter block, and so on. You can find everything you need right here. For this example, let's just add a few blocks so I can show you how to edit them. With Fluid Engine Editor, these blocks can be resized and rearranged anywhere on the grid. As we click on each block, you will see a little menu appear at the top with a few different symbols. So the first one will let you edit the block further. Then we have a link and the position buttons. So you can either move the block at the top or at the bottom of another block that's overlapping. Next we have duplicate and delete. Now that we have some content on our section, we can go and explore how we can edit our section further. So when we hover over the right tab, we have Edit Section button. We have a Duplicate button that duplicates your entire section with the content as well. We have a Save Section, which you can utilize if you remember from when we were adding sections before, we had add a saved section. So it's an easy way to kind of copy and paste your section to a different page. Last but not least, we have our location button, so you can easily move your sections up and down and rearrange the orders. And of course, we have our delete button. To customize the section even further, click on the edit button. And here you'll see a tab with 3 different options. So first we have format of your section, background, and colors. Under format, you can choose how many rows we have in our grid. You can decide how far away they are. You can make a gap at the top and the bottom, so you can make sure your content has enough breathing space. And you can also use dividers. Under dividers, you have so many interesting shapes to choose from. You can add borders and change the colors as well. Moving on to background, here is where you can add a background image to your section. You can play around with opacity and placement of your image. So you can toggle this little circle here where you want your focus point to be. And you can utilize a number of different image effects they have available. Instead of an image, you can also use a background video or art. Under colors, here we can see all of our color themes, and you can just pick whichever one you want for your section. As always, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you out.